So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Windows PowerShell. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're just going to copy and paste the command, which will be down below in the description. There's going to be two commands. You're going to copy and paste the first one, the one that starts with get-appxpackage. So we're going to highlight this, and then do Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy it. Come to PowerShell, and then do Ctrl-V on your keyboard to paste it. And then click on enter. And then once you've done that, for the second step, you just want to restart your computer. Restart your computer. Now once you're back in Windows, for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in Windows PowerShell. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, we're just going to copy and paste the next command, which will be down below in the description. The one that starts with start MS Windows Store. You want to highlight over this, Ctrl-C to copy it. Come to PowerShell, and then Ctrl-V to paste it. And then click on enter. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load. You're now going to be seeing Gaming Services. You just want to install this. And then once you install Gaming Services, you can now try to update the Xbox application. It should now be working for you. If not, you just want to restart your computer again. Come back into Windows again, and then you can now update your Xbox application, and then the problem should be fixed.